How to create a fail-proof budget and control your expenses. Hey there, wealth-minded family. All good? Today, we're tackling a problem most people face. Do you feel trapped in a cycle of debt or broke by the end of the month? Have you tried making a budget and given up? If you answered yes, you're not alone. The good news? Controlling your finances is easier than it seems, and in just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to create a fail-proof budget that will transform your financial life. Many people think a budget is only for those with little money or some painful cost-cutting exercise. That's not it. A budget is actually your financial compass. It gives you clarity, freedom, and the power to decide where your money goes, instead of wondering where it went. With a well-crafted budget, you can save for that dream trip, pay off debts faster, or even start investing for financial independence. Grab a pen and paper, because now we're getting to the good stuff. Simple step-by-step guide to creating your fail-proof budget. Step 1. ALL your sources of income right, down every penny coming in. Salary, freelance gigs, side hustles. Be honest and thorough. Step 2. Map out all your expenses, fixed and variable. This is the crucial part. Divide them into 2 categories. Fixed expenses, rent, mortgage, health insurance, subscriptions. The stuff you know the exact amount for. Variable expenses, groceries, entertainment, transportation, gas, ride-sharing apps, utility bills, water, electricity, internet that fluctuate. These are the ones that often catch us off guard. For variable expenses, use the average from the FEV. Last 3 months if possible. And be realistic. Don't underestimate spending on entertainment or food. Step 3. Calculate your balance. Income minus expenses. Simple as that. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. What's left? Or more importantly, what's missing? Step 4. Adjust and optimize if the result is positive. Congrats! You've got some wiggle room. But if it's negative, don't panic. This is the time to optimize. Where can you cut back without too much pain? Maybe reevaluate that subscription you don't use, reduce takeout spending, or find ways to save on transportation. Remember, small cuts make a big difference. And if you have money left over, give it a purpose. Emergency fund, investing, or paying off debts. Now that you've built your budget, how do you make it fail-proof? Monitor regularly. Review your budget at least once a week. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. Tracking is key. Be flexible. Life happens. If an unexpected expense pops up, adjust your budget. Don't give up at the first hiccup. The goal is to stay in control. Use the 50-30-20 rule. It's not set in stone, but it's helpful. A good guideline is to allocate 50% of your income to needs, rent, food, 30% to wants, entertainment, hobbies, and 20% to financial goals, savings, debt repayment. Celebrate small wins. Stuck to your budget for a month? Celebrate. It keeps you motivated to keep going. Creating a budget isn't about deprivation. It's about control and freedom. It's the most powerful tool to achieve your financial goals and build the life you've always wanted. Start today. The first step is the most important. Love the tips? Give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building content, and share this video with someone who needs to get their financial life in order. What's your biggest struggle with budgeting? Let me know in the comments.